Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your smartwatch belt. This is the definitive method for a secure fit. Before we begin, ensure you have your smartwatch case, both halves of the belt, and any necessary tools like a small spring bar tool. A clean, well-lit workspace is crucial for this task, helping you to clearly see small components. Also, consider placing a soft cloth down to protect your watch from scratches as you work. Each belt half features a spring bar, a small, telescoping metal rod designed for connection. Your smartwatch case has two sets of lugs, which are the attachment points with tiny holes on their inner sides. The spring bar fits precisely into these holes. Knowing these components will simplify the entire installation process, ensuring you connect the belt correctly and securely without any struggle. Hold one belt half with the spring bar facing the watch lugs. Carefully insert one pin end of the spring bar into one of the two lug holes. Then, use your finger or a spring bar tool to push the other pin end inward, compressing the spring. Angle the belt and gently release the compressed pin into the corresponding lug hole, making sure it seats properly. Now, take the second half of your smart watch belt and repeat the identical steps. Ensure you orient this half correctly, so the buckle or clasp aligns as intended. Carefully position the spring bar, inserting one end into a lug hole first. Compress the other end, guide it into the second hole, and listen for that distinct click, confirming a secure connection on both sides.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.